Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gourmet Gharana. Today we bring to you a recipe that is a winter favorite in our house, presenting the mutton stew. The best part is if you are a vegetarian, just skip the mutton and you will still be left with the most delicious and comforting winter dish recipe, and you will keep craving for more. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Let's start by pressure cooking the mutton. I am using 500 grams of mutton along with about 6 cups of water, salt to taste and a teaspoon of oil. Cook for 4 whistles and set the cooker aside to cool down completely. While the mutton is cooking, we will boil the vegetables. For this recipe, we will be using cauliflower, green beans, carrots and potatoes. Transfer the chopped vegetables to a pot along with 7 to 8 cups of water, a teaspoon of salt and a green chilli. Boil the vegetables till they are tender but not mushy. Now let's start making the base for the stew. In a large pot, add 1/4 cup of oil. Once hot, add in the Shahi Zeera and let it splutter. Then add a cup of finely chopped onions and saute. Cover and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then add in the pearl onions, cover and cook till they are almost done. At this time, add the ginger garlic paste and saute for a couple of minutes, and then add 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Mix well and then add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of wheat flour. The flour will bring the thickness required for the stew. Saute the flour on low flame. Add more oil if required at this time if the flour feels too dry. The flour should have a paste-like texture. Once it is fragrant, in about 5 to 7 minutes, add 2 cups of cold water. At this time, set the flame to medium and keep stirring to avoid lumps. The mix should be a thick paste at this time. Cook till the mix starts boiling. Now, add in the boiled vegetables and the cooked mutton along with the entire stock to this mix. At this time, add salt to taste and more pepper powder if required. Turn up the heat and let it all come to a boil. Let it boil for about 7 to 10 minutes and then add in some vinegar and garnish with cilantro. Let it continue to boil for a couple more minutes and then turn off the flame. There it is. Your perfect winter dish is ready. Serve this with any type of bread, dinner roll or sheermal. Do give this recipe a try and like, share and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram for many such delightful recipes. Thanks for watching.